Hey there, folks. It seems you've been caught up in that tough battle with hair fall, haven't you? Yeah, I hear you. You've tried it all. Shampoos, conditioners, treatments. But nothing seems to work. I know how you feel. It's not the best, is it? But don't worry, I've got your back. Today we're diving into the world of DIY to unearth some real gems on how to stop hair fall. This isn't just stuff from the back of my head, these are facts backed up by solid scientific research. Let's go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share this video with anyone else in the hair fall struggle, and remember to leave your comments. Your input is always gold. Okay, let's get this show on the road. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Did you know that what's on your plate can impact what's on your head? Yep, you heard that right. There's a super interesting study by the National Institutes of Health, done in 2017, that shows the direct connection between your diet and your hair health. It's not just about guzzling down supplements, though some can help. No, the real magic is in the rainbow of natural foods. Fill up your plate with spinach, eggs, nuts, sweet potatoes, and lean meats, all of which are packed with hair-loving vitamins and minerals like iron, biotin, vitamin A and E. Now, that doesn't mean you should only eat these, but adding more of them to your diet won't hurt. It's like adding fertilizer to your garden. Your hair is the flower that's going to bloom. Next up, we're talking about the humble oil massage. You're probably thinking, really? And I get it, it sounds old school. But trust me on this, folks. A study from the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology in 2015 showed that a nice, regular scalp massage can stimulate the blood flow and strengthen the hair follicles. Imagine your hair as a bunch of little plants, and the blood vessels as their watering cans. When they get a good soak, they grow stronger. Now, what kind of oil should you use? Well, coconut oil is a classic. It penetrates deep into your hair shafts. You can also go for olive oil, packed with antioxidants, or castor oil, rich in ricinoleic acid. Warm up the oil a bit, gently massage it into your scalp, let it sit for an hour or so, and then wash it out with a gentle shampoo. Now, I know how tempting it is to go for that super sleek, straight look or that perfect beachy wave. But did you know, according to a report from the Journal of Dermatological Science back in 2011, frequent use of heat tools and chemical treatments can lead to hair fall? It's like putting your plants under scorching sun all the time, they're bound to wither, right? So, let's put those straighteners, curling irons, and chemical-laden products on hold. Embrace the natural beauty of your hair. Let it air dry as much as possible, and if you must style, use a heat protectant spray. Now, this one sounds pretty basic, but are you drinking enough water? A study from the Clinical, Cosmetic, and Investigational Dermatology in 2018 reminded us that hydration is key for healthy hair. Imagine your hair is like a river. If the water level drops too low, things start to look a little parched. Same goes for your hair. So keep that water bottle close and remember to sip throughout the day. Lastly, but definitely not least, let's talk about rest and stress management. Stress is like a sneaky little gremlin, messing with your hair health. A study from the American Journal of Pathology in 2013 told us loud and clear, chronic stress can lead to hair loss. And your hair, just like you, needs a good night's rest to recharge and regenerate. So whether it's yoga, meditation, a hobby, or simply catching more Z's, find your zen and give your hair a fighting chance. Well, folks, that's all for today. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and your hair won't change overnight. Be patient, keep at it, and I promise you'll start seeing results. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and leave your comments. And let's continue this journey on how to stop hair fall together. Stay tuned for more, and keep those beautiful heads held high.